going to show you how to set capitalization in the Microsoft Word app. First, we have to open up the app. And here, this is how it opens up. From here, let's just select text, which we want to something important to say here. Let's say we have this text, and we want to change the capitalization of this text. We just select it, and here we have these two A's, and here we have sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, or toggle case. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.